Hey guys, it's me, THC, the Happy Cultivator, Urban Gardener, and I'm here with an unboxing of a new LED light. What we have today to unbox is let me flip it over so you guys can see. We have the Zannaki ZK 1000 LED grow light for veg and flower. So let's break open some factory seals here and show you guys this light. Okay, got it popped open. Let's open her up and see what's inside. Package really nice with some foam. This light comes with a MeanWell driver. And it also comes with a dimmer switch. There's your dimmer switch. Here is your United States power cord. There's the connection to the MeanWell driver. And here is your connection for the dimmer switch, also into your MeanWell driver. Here we have your hanging clips as well as your carabiner. They did include ratchet straps for those that want to utilize the ratchet strap system to raise and lower your light. All right, now let's take this light out. As you see, it comes completely surrounded by the nice foam. It as well has some corner protectors on it for shipping, which that's great. And then you can take that off and it's got a nice rounded edge to it, which is great. So if you happen to bang your head into your light, you won't cause yourself stitches. So let's pop it over here, show you the actual light board. And then what was also on top here is the user manual. There's your production code. So we'll give you a quick peek at this user manual. There you go, get the user manual open for you so you guys can see here. It's got some nice color pictures there for you. And then on the back, it shows you the color spectrum. It gives you the parameters here. And this gives you your warranty. It looks like all of them come with a 3-year warranty. And then right here, it will tell you what the different models are here. Our model happens to be the PB0101. And so that would be our specs right here. For a small area, I'll probably put this in the 32 by 32 to replace the flies on for a little bit, just to give this light a chance and show you guys how it does. So I'll have that video to come later. With that, guys, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.